We're going with the adventure in a day, yeah. Natural coconut, you know? Natural. Yeah, but then say mama cooking a greatest spot. Coconut them done up south here now. Ready for greater here now. Yes guys, natural coconut from the tree, you know. Yeah. Fruitful Jamaica. Yeah. They say mama cooking a the greatest spot. So I'm here in the kitchen today, you know. Yeah. Guys, they don't know. They are ready for greater coconut them, you know. Yeah man, coconut is greater. Yeah man, blue draws, you know. Yeah. Yeah man, so like me say I get coconut in great also. Yeah man.
Coconut chops as well. And this is how you do it. You have to get it, put it like this. Put it onto the fire to boil. With the ginger. When the coconut actually cook, you put the sugar. Almost cook, you put the sugar in there. And from there get it. Can't leave it, you have to stay by it. Let's see we get it burned. Until it go down, till you take it, you put it onto a banana leaf. And then you get it set, and then you have the Jamaican coconut chops. So this is how we actually started from scratch. You do the coconut like this. And then you cut it across here. So this is how the coconut chops in Jamaica. Gas stove, you're not going to get it done the right way. You have to cook it on the wood fire, especially the Jamaica pimento wood.
Yes guys, so coconut them done greater coconut there now, you know. Last piece left.
Fire in the hills.
Natural and perfect. Well, I feel like the fire now.
It's on gas.
No? Some strips, you know? Cut piece of plastic bottle.
Don't mash up your baby. Don't mash up my baby.
Yeah, look at leaf you know to make the blue draws, you know. Banana leaf we use, you know. Yeah. Run again.
Not only banana leaves, these are the string that you use to tie it. You do them like this. And then you tie them like this. So they can get it long.
clean up the banana at the same time, you know? Yes, man.
Yes, guys. She a clear the banana leaf over the fire.
If you don't do it like this, then you won't have it. You must always pay the rougher part and if I put the rougher part in the fire. Because this is the top part here. Where we are going to put the mixture. It's all over to Hode now to finish the spearfishing. To finish with the quailing. I'm just starting it so that
this is how it's done, guys. That's the blue draws we are making up.
and those are
From our area, so. Eh? By tree, though. By tree. Why smoke a bash me up?
and then you have to do it like
Fishing
this.
you.
Cut it off from the leaf.
Oh? Next time I'll take you one from this way, then.
You guys must be wondering how I know to do this. I got this from my mom. My mom have 10 of us, and sometimes to make a meal she have to do it like this for us. And that's how I got this trade from my mom. Because it's not easy to feed 10 children, especially when you are both parents.
Yeah. Yes, guys, so we are about to prepare up the ingredients for the blue jars, guys. So this is the mixture. So remember, it's Odin alongside my mom in the kitchen today, guys. Okay, so because she has the experience, I'm just gonna leave her to do this part. Okay.
This is the coconut juice, as you can see.
Yeah.
It already have been the sugar. Now I'm going to grate the coconut, the nutmeg.
Yeah.
As you can see, the whole time making grater.
Yeah, man, from back in the days.
Vanilla.
This is the real vanilla. The mama cooking at the greatest spot.
And this is some allspice. For baking.
taste it and make sure it's right and proper, guys.
Salt. This is about a teaspoon, tablespoon, and a half. Over here now we have the cornmeal. This is baking. All the time people call it pudding pan. I'm pulling the bag. I don't want to cut it or tear it, so I'm pulling it. This is the cornmeal. You have a flour. Adding the flour make it get smooth, and then you stir. And I'm going to also add a little wine and white rum together so that it will keep. If you don't have fridge, you can keep the blue jars for more than 1 day. I'm going to pour and mix.
Yeah, real Jamaican, you know. It's the aroma from it, guys. I feel like I eat it just as it is right now. Trust me. Yes, man.
Can't have it too soft, you know, because if you have it too soft, it's not going to hold in the leaf. You have to make it
Can't
the
too
dough.
soft and can't too tough.
You have to make the dough so that it can hold in the leaf for you to get to wrap it, fold it, and tie it. That's it. We have some left over here, so I'm just going to use up everything. So I'm just going to pour it in here, and the rest of the mixture. You can still mix both ways. It's a little bit fresh, so I'm going to sprinkle a little salt and get it. I'm not diabetic, but doctor says I must eat enough salt, so I will say it fresh, and then other person will say it over sweet or too much salt, so I have to do it. That's it, guys. I'm going to need some hands now to do some work.
But fire yourself. Yeah, man. Yes, guys, so you're making the first one, you know. This is how it's done. Yes, man. First one, guys, you know. First one. Ready to eat already, you know. You know me? Yeah, so I'm gonna make the second one. Second one here. You know? Boss himself I make this second one, you know. We tie there. Yes, man. Alright. Tell you, man. I feel mama in the kitchen, you know. Yeah. Ready, guys. Well, look at me can't manage, so I don't think I'm going to make it. Come on. Yes, guys. Alright, guys. Don't see. I'll try. So maybe we put them in and she make them, she wrap them. Yes, guys, Blue Draws for dinner. Yeah, man. Blue Draws. You know, later we want a cup of mint tea with it, guys. Here? Yeah, man.
And it would be good if we have some old Jamaican whole chocolate. The one that you beat in the mortar with some coconut juice.
Wow.
Sometimes it's good when we bring back some of the old time things, you know.
Yeah, man, so we can remember our roots, you know. So we never forget where we are come from, you know. Yes, guys, pot ready, you know. Pot will boil up, so you just put it in the Blue Draws them in, you know. Blue Draws them so well pack up.
You know, but I take one
Ready for going in the pot, you know. So watch it pre, guys. Yeah.
Come on, I say it is the Blue Draws. I can't make them put the Blue Draws in my pot.
Then was the later will be greater. As I stay with a cup of mint tea. Yes, man. Yes guys, Blue Draws there still a make, you know. Yeah man, for real man, I tell you. Remember when me a little youth and my mother met them, you know, man. Wait, I think nobody can get more than me. If I have one extra one left guys, I may have to get that. Yeah man. Time I will sit down and wait a time pad, not even road we now go. Not until Blue Draws done. Because sometimes all one left back in the pot, you know. So everybody want to be the one there if it show the water, you know. Because you know you buck up all from the one in the pot, you know. You not tell nobody, you know. Yeah man. You buck up on the one in the pot, guys, you not tell nobody, you know. Because that's a fear. You know, and nobody knows so you find that because you not share that. Yeah man, so besides someone do that video here for the 1K, you know? Yeah man, enough respect man. I did say that guys, you know? Yeah. So remember Oden alongside Miss Jacqueline Green in the kitchen, my mother. Yeah. Take you back to the roots, you know? Alright. Yes guys, so you see coconut trasher now. Squeeze out the juice already, but there are many things this can do, you know. You can use it make called toto. You throw sugar pan and eat it too guys, you know. So we are go on a little prayer. Eating some coconut trash with sugar too, you know. Yeah man, back in the days we have fall. Don't know we turn this into fall feeding guys. Yeah, so we are taking it back to the roots, you know. Yeah. I know for this meat back in the days. I know for this grow me guys, you know. But you don't know. You know the Blue Draws done, you know. So we are take off it. This up here now guys. Yeah man. I'm put the drops on a bigger fire, you know. Alright, so it drops on a bigger fire. So you take off the Blue Draws pot here now. Yes,
hello, I'm here once more with the Blue Draws. This is how you have to do it. Get it cool. Take it from the pot. Don't let it soak water, so you have to do it like this. In order to, that one is hot. In order to get it cool. Some people like it when it just comes from the pot. Some people like it cool. Some people like it half cool. So this is how it's, there is some more water in the pot, so I'm going to drain it off in order to get out the rest. This to hold it. You have to do it like this to get out the excess amount of water from it.
Yes guys, so Blue Draws done, you know, so you know, I go sample one, you know. Every day I saw mix some concrete to go out with some because you had up here, man, so don't know me hungry. So I sample one night, you know. Yeah man. Bad my family, bad. Not telling lie family, bad, nice. Mama cooking a great spot. Yeah. Yes guys, so drops just to finish and bag up here now. Yeah man, for next snacks later. You know. Maybe while me watch a movie, me and the kids them wifey eat our next snack, you know. Yeah man, we call them dessert, you know. Yes guys, after you know you eat and you feel like a peckish.